International Day of Yoga is a day in recognition of yoga that is celebrated across the world on 21st June annually. It was adopted by United Nations in 2014 as yoga practices have shown significant benefits for physical and mental well-being. It was considered important by the United Nations to globally promote this wellness practice, which originated in ancient India. The then initiative Yoga Day was taken by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his 2014 United Nations address, and the resolution received broad global support with 177 nations co-sponsoring it in the United Nations General Assembly, where it passed unanimously. Following, the first International Yoga Day was celebrated successfully on 21st June 2015 across nations. Why was 21st June selected? What was its significance? It was said that it was the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere, having special significance in many parts of the world, and it was the shortest in the southern hemisphere. With regard to Indian calendar, the summer solstice marks the transition to Dakshinayana, the second full moon after summer solstice, which was known as Guru Purnima. In Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva, the first yogi, that is Adi Yogi, is said to have begun imparting the knowledge of yoga to the rest of the mankind on this day and became the first guru, that is Adi Guru. So it was a very auspicious day to celebrate on this day. Hence, the first International Day of Yoga was observed around the world on 21st June 2015. This initiative got a great support from many global leaders, and a total of 177 nations co-sponsored the resolution, which is the highest number of co-sponsors ever for any United Nations General Assembly resolution of such nature. Thus, yoga got a great and official recognition to celebrate its day on 21st June by United Nations to globally promote wellness across the world.